Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to draw Chromium and Melody. Start by organizing your workspace and choosing pencils and paper. Sketch light construction lines to map head, torso, and limbs. Note unique silhouettes for each character before adding facial features. Block in basic clothing shapes and accessories with simple geometry. Keep strokes loose until proportions feel right, then refine lines and begin soft shading to add volume and depth. For Chromium, focus on clean shapes and reflective polish to convey metal. Begin with armor plates as interlocking panels, keeping perspective consistent across joints and overlaps. Place bright highlights and deep values to suggest a chrome finish, remembering crisp reflections follow form. Use hard pencils for edges and softer pencils for gentle gradients between highlights and midtones. Leave small zones of pure white to sell metallic shine. Melody benefits from rhythmic, gestural drawing to reflect musical energy. Start with a loose pose that suggests movement, then build anatomy and clothing around that flow. Focus on expressive features and flowing hair to guide the viewer's eye. Use varied line weight and directional strokes to imply fabric folds and hair strands. Add subtle tonal shifts to separate planes while keeping the overall feel light and melodic.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.